Bonk token is going absolutely bonkers. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what the Bonk token is. We're going to go through a mini deep dive and also how you can get some of these tokens absolutely free. And if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you multiple other cryptocurrencies that I think are set to explode because of this narrative and news. This is a video you're not going to want to miss. So smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell because we make a new video here on YouTube every single day, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. They're very time sensitive though, and you're not going to want to miss out. So let's also get into the fact that I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your research and you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. But traders are piling into this Bonk coin, and it has been going up absolutely crazy in the last 24 hours as there could be a reversal in the Solana price. We're going to get into that in just a second. But why is this actually happening? Well, the Bonk is a meme token, just basically modeled off their Shiba Inu. Okay, so it's modeled after Shiba Inu, and here's why people are buying this crypto right now and why it's going crazy. First and foremost, they're adding liquidity to this pair. When a new cryptocurrency gets listed and launched, there's not a lot of liquidity, but there's a lot of incentive now for yield farmers to be buying this crypto, locking it up, and earning these rewards. By doing this, they're actually buying the crypto, locking it and pairing it with Solana, USDC, more USDC, MSOL, and SOL. And the way that they're doing this is called yield farming. And they're basically pairing these two tokens together so that they can earn passive income. Now, if you want to learn even more about that, check out my website, click enroll now in my millionaires class. We're doing a massive 75% discount right now. And the reason why we're doing this is because in the new year, 2023, I want each and every one of you to have the chance to learn how to get in. We also have done 12 new bonus videos for the past literal 12 days. It's been absolutely insane to see how many people are enrolling. So if you are interested in learning about what I'm talking about, finding new altcoins, in how I actually became a cryptocurrency millionaire, time is running out on our sale because it's not going to last forever. So let's get into now, though, what is Bonk, right? Like, what is this? Why is it going crazy? And how can I get even more information about this? And I'm also going to go through price predictions and everything here in just a second. But first off, Bonk is the first Solana dog coin for the people, by the people, with 50% of its total supply airdropped to the Solana community. So if you did not know, you could have actually got some of this for free if you are one of the holders of this NFT collection. Okay, so here are all the NFT collections. And if you were holding any of these or made any transactions, you could have got some of this Bonk token absolutely free. So right now on their official Twitter, it says airdrop deploying for the Soul Gods collection now. And this is exactly what they've been doing. And this was back in December. Okay, so they've been airdropping and doing a lot of this for Solana NFT holders. So check this list. If you do have any of these, congratulations. You probably have some Bonk in your wallet, which is awesome because it's gone up over like 3,000%. But let's talk about that and why this is so important. So while that's cool that you could have got some for free, and congratulations if you did. And there's literally tons of free money in crypto. Again, this is something that I actually teach exclusively in my class. I've earned over 7 figures buying, selling, trading, and I made over $7,000 last year alone in airdrops. And it's one of the tutorials in the class. If I scroll down here, it's one of the tutorials here about how to actually get into these airdrops. It's one of the ones, let's see here after these. It's one of these videos in the class. But anyways, I wanted to share that with you because I teach you step by step how to actually get into these airdrops and start finding them. And, you know, that's like the really important thing. And then being aware of like what's actually happening. So if you want to learn about that, I believe it's one of these videos towards the end. But anyways, it's in the class. I know it because I made the video and it can be very, very helpful for you. So congratulations if you did get the airdrop. But let's get into more about what this is and the tokenomics overall. So basically, Bonk is a meme coin, and they want to get rid of this toxicity of Alameda and what's happened to Solana. So if you don't know, there was a lot of Solana tokens that were owned by Alameda. They've been dumping them like crazy, apparently, and the price of Solana has gone down dramatically, and it's been a really tough go for Solana and everyone in that ecosystem. So why that's important is because that's what's kind of kicked off this entire project. And I'm going to go ahead and follow the official Twitter at Bonk_Inu. And then from here, this is where things have really started to turn around for Solana. People think that this could be the bottom of Solana, and here's why. So Vitalik Buterin, who is the creator of Ethereum, tweeted that this was a couple of days ago in December of 2020. He said, some smart people are telling me that there is an earnest smart development community in Solana, and that basically there's a lot more opportunity and money and all that's been washed out, but the chain has a bright future. Hard for me to tell from the outside, but I hope the community goes and it gets its fair chance to thrive. So he said this, and then what happened was that pretty much marked the bottom, and then Solana had been going crazy ever since then. Now we have this new Bonk token coming in, and because of that, we have a ton of new users coming to the market, and we also have a ton of daily active wallets. What's really important to see with any sort of cryptocurrency project is there anyone using this? If there's not anyone using this, then it's probably going in the opposite direction of what you want your investment to be doing. If people are using it, people are buying, selling, trading. NFTs right now, and the whole market's just been quiet. It's been a bearish 2022 to say the least. 2023, things have been boring. People want some excitement. But we're starting to finally start to see now some daily active users. That's a very, very good thing. And speaking of being a daily active user, if you're not following me over on Twitter, make sure to do so because I do tweet things very time sensitive as well as a lot more educational stuff. Also, follow me over on my Instagram at Joe Parys. Again, all the links are down below and as well on the side. But again, you get to follow and watch the reels and all the other fun stuff and basically see the lifestyle of cryptocurrency millionaire if that's something that you're interested in. Also, make sure to follow over on TikTok. We have 1 million followers on TikTok. Thanks again for all of your support. But what is going on with the price action now of Bonk? Well, you can see it is sitting at plus 28% today. And if we look at the max chart, it's just gone absolutely parabolic. So am I recommending to buy, sell, or trade this cryptocurrency altcoin? Absolutely not. I don't teach you any of that here. I just share with you what's trending, why it's trending, and finding these new cryptocurrency coins. Now, here's some interesting things to pay attention to. The market cap, $100 million market cap. That still, in the grand scheme of things, is tiny compared to a lot of other market caps. However, it's grown a lot very quickly. 100 million is, I think, puts this in the top 100 crypto coins today. Maybe a little bit off the list. Yeah, so it's on page 2 right now, I believe, if I scroll all the way to the down to the bottom. Yeah, it's right around the second or third page, depending. Oh, there it is right there on the second page. Okay, so it's starting to climb the ranks, right? And all it would need to do is double or triple from its current market cap to make it to the front page. And why is that important? Well, if the cryptocurrencies make it to the top 100 coins, it gives it more visibility. It gives it more marketing basically for free because people, I don't know, they don't like to go to page 999 to find a crypto. But if it's on the front page and it's right there, they're more likely to see and learn about it. So this is what is happening right now with this project. And why I actually think that there's something to this is, well, first off, its simplicity. Like, its simplicity was I think attracted to a lot of people, and it's a meme, right? So people love memes. They like things that they can get their hands around. They like things that look familiar. This looks very similar to Shiba Inu to me, and because of that and that amazing community, they're kind of playing off that with their own kind of thing here. Now, let's talk about what is going on with the building of this project and why this has actually gone as viral as it has very quickly. And this is something to note about meme coins, and it's very important when investing in crypto or any sort of asset. A lot of the times people think that it has to all do with fundamentals and all these other things, maybe in the long run for a lot of these crypto projects, but in the short term, marketing is king. And I would argue that marketing is most important even for any project. So they have partnered with some of the biggest partners on the Solana ecosystem, or should I say in the Solana ecosystem today. And one of those partners was this Sol Casino. And I don't know anything about the Sol Casino. I haven't seen much about this, but a lot of these meme coins and these other crypto projects, especially when they're very young, are big risks. They're big gambles. And so the fact, though, that they partner with all of these different, partnered, or should I say, all of these different Solana ecosystem projects, and they've done a massive airdrop where, again, you can see all the different NFT communities that they've gone out to. This is why it's gone viral. Now you have influencers talking about it. Now it's, reaching the #1 trending coin on CoinGecko. If you come up to the search bar, you can see Bonk is trading #1, Solana is #3, Shiba Inu is #4. So you can start to see a lot of these crypto coins are trending on these websites now because of the activity, because of the price action, because people are starting to talk about it. It's building all of this hype. And I think that for the short term, that's a very good thing about this project. Now, here are some things that I don't like about the project, just to be completely honest. #1, it is new. Because it is new, expect a lot of volatility. So if you're not willing to stomach volatility, that's something that I would probably stay away from if that's, you know, not your cup of tea. Another thing that I don't like about the project is that it's gone up a lot so far. Personally, I like to buy the red and sell the green, and this to me has gone up a lot, and it just seems to be definitely a little overheated. And by the time you find out about coins like this and they've already had a massive run, more difficult for them to make another huge push to like 500 million or a billion, which would be approximately a 10x at this time. Now, could this crypto do 100x? Could it do 1000x? Well, if you look at from the bottom all the way until now, yeah, it certainly could go the 100, 1000x from the lows to the highs. Absolutely. It's already skyrocketing. So there could be some more, you know, fuel in the fire for this crypto, but your risk reward when things get really high and overheated becomes a little more distorted. So what I mean by that is if you bought down here, you're sitting pretty. But if you bought up here, right, the risk of it going down compared to up exponentially grows the higher and the more well-known this comes. So for me, I'm going to be watching this to kind of see how this goes. And I don't know if I will be an investor just quite yet. Or if I do invest in this, it would be something very, very small. And I would just kind of trade in and out of it personally. A lot of these cryptocurrency projects, they're very volatile. They're very new. So they're not these like long-term holds that you just diamond hands forever. And that's just been my experience with this personally and what I've personally been doing. So I just wanted to share now, since you've stayed all the way to the end of this video and we've gone through a little bit about what this is and why it's important, what are some of the other cryptocurrency projects that are starting to move? Well, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu for sure are starting to move, but there's one other cryptocurrency. You can see Shiba's up 2.5% that I've been talking about and I've talked about a lot on this channel, Bonk Token. I made a tutorial on this to show you exactly how to lock your Bonk tokens, how you can stake your Bonk tokens, how you can pair them with liquidity and earn more. But the Bonk token is starting to move. In fact, I made a lot of videos on Shiba and this ecosystem. If you just type in Joe Parys, the next Shiba Inu, you can see 9 days ago, I found the next Shiba Inu with huge potential. Hint, hint, wink, wink. There may or may not have been some cryptocurrency coins that I'm talking about in that video. So congratulations if you have been taking action and paying attention, because in that video, I did share a few coins that have, well, been outperforming this bear market. And these meme coins are nothing to sleep on. And so I just think it's a matter of time. Keep looking at the trending cryptos as well. Solana is definitely one of those, and Solana just made a move up, so I'm a little hesitant to say that Solana is just going to just skyrocket all the way back to $38. I think for a while it's going to trade sideways and try to figure itself out of this, but I'm at least seeing that this could have potentially been a bottom or near a bottom, and that there is still some hope and life in this ecosystem. I think that while Solana, yes, has definitely had a very difficult time these last few weeks, to say the least, with its price action and this massive sell-off from $38 to $13 and then all the way down to $8. But I do think that this isn't going anywhere. I think that while, yes, there were some bad actors and what happened with FTX is very unfortunate, I think still, though, there's a lot more to come with this ecosystem, and I don't think it's going to completely go to zero. Not financial advice, just my own personal thoughts. Now, some other altcoins I'd be looking at, again, you can start to see the Somone coin is up over 100%. Keep looking at down the list of all these other coins that are starting to move because of this narrative. This Wolf coin is up over 200%. Again, there's so many of these that it's impossible to cover each and every meme coin. Doge chain, okay, is up 14% though. Again, it's another cryptocurrency that we've been talking about. This one's up 14% on the week. So keep doing your research, keep looking, and do not doubt these meme coins. I mean, for whatever reason, people still don't understand the fact that like a meme coin like Bonk can yield some high returns. And they're burning a lot of this token as well. It's one last thing I will mention here is that they're burning some of this token to make it even more scarce. One of the other things I guess I don't like about the project, just to go back to that too, is the fact that they're giving 50% of the total supply to be airdropped. So if you go to the Bonk paper here, you'll be able to see the tokenomics, and you can see all on the side here what they've been doing. So let me go back to the home page and let's go to the one pager. Here we go. So this is where your supply will be distributed as the follows. So this is the tokenomics here of what this coin has. 50% of it though did go to like marketing and as well as the airdrop. So like just understand that that's where that went. Okay, 50% of the total supply airdropped to the Solana community, which is great. I mean, I think that's fantastic, and I think that's why a lot of people are getting around this new project and why they're liking it. But 20% of the Solana NFT collections we'll be getting 20% of this. 15% will go to early open book traders. 10% will go to Solana artists and collectors, and 5% to Solana developers. So that's where you can see where more of this cryptocurrency coin will be going. So at least there's some transparency there. Then they have the team, right? We'll be getting some marketing, initial liquidity, the Bonk DAO, early contributors, as well as the NFT collectors, the early open book traders, and everything else that I kind of just mentioned here with the developers and the artists and the collectors. So this is kind of how everything's spread out. And again, I think that what's great about this is it's simple, it's easy, it's a meme, something that people can rally behind right now. I just would be careful, I guess, getting caught in the hype of this, because nothing goes up forever. And while it has bounced back and Solana has seen a nice bounce back, I do think that we're not just automatically going into a massive bull run, and things are just going to start flying off the shelves here in the next couple of weeks. I think that it's going to take some time, even though Solana is up 33% in the last 2 days as this new cryptocurrency has launched. I think that that's great. So congratulations again if you've been paying attention and taking a look at this. But I do think that this is going to, well, we're going to see how this develops. And if it becomes a major meme coin with Solana, and if it really helps revive the system. So if you want to learn even more with me and become a cryptocurrency millionaire yourself and watch over 100 different lessons, I'm going through the class right now and revising a ton. You can see here one of my portfolios made over $1 million, 1.4 million at that time. Tons of bonus videos. Click the links down below. Join us in VIP. And if you want to watch even more YouTube videos, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also, smash up that like button. Really sincerely appreciate each and every one of you being here. More content, more stuff on the way. And I can't wait to see you in our next video. So you can just click them right here on the side somewhere, or you can follow along and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.